Oh my god. My entire computer just fucking shit itself. Like, I just sitting here and it goes, boo! And my Mac was dead. Like, it just fucking powered down and rebooted on me. Like, fucking black screen of death on me. That is fantastic. I'm gonna blame it on Jacob. Whatever he did in the Lewis script to make it where I can't fucking move anymore in the game, that code is the code that has fucked everything up. He took my Mac out. Oh shit, I'm not even in the Google Hangouts. My bad. One sec, guys. One sec. Okay, alright. We should be good. My entire computer literally just fucking shit itself. And just... And yeah. I have no fucking idea. Somebody... Nah, dude, someone fucked up the Lewis script. Somebody, like... Whatever's making Julian not move, that's what did it. Holy fucking shit, that's so annoying. Now I have to open everything else back up. Yeah, yes. Fuck, you had, like... Yeah, dude. Folk, like... I mean, you can, like, fight and level up and, like, yeah, combat was in and shit. I don't know. I guess he was working on something. I don't fucking know. But all the time, I open shit up and there is less shit there than when I left it. And it's fucking... Oh my god. I'm not... I'll let him answer this. Like, I don't want to, like, put him on the spot on air. Although he should totally fucking be here. I don't want to, like, start shit or, like, talk shit about my teammate. My employee, actually, because I pay him. Yeah, yeah. No, right. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Sometimes he's really good, but lately, some shit's been going backwards. Like, since I started streaming, I really, like, you know, every week I'm like, come on, man, like, well, let's see what you did on the stream, and, like, yeah. But whatever, we'll see. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this is why the game is fucking late. Like, you see how many lines of code this shit is? You see who's fucking coding? Like, I code my fucking ass off, alright? Like, one man programming this entire fucking game is, like, superhuman. I'm still fucking trying. But, like, yeah. It'd be amazing to have, like, a real fucking team, but, like, it just has never worked out for me. So I just work and work and work and work and just take all the shit for it. For being the guy who actually stayed here and fucking stood strong and worked. But it's okay. Maybe I'll be able, as long as I'm able to fucking walk again in my engine. Dude, like, I start this shit up and I'm like, Julian can't walk. What the fuck did I do to do that? You know what I mean? And then the other day he's like, oh yeah, dude, Julian doesn't walk anymore. I'm like, oh, okay. Like, you know what I mean? I would think that is a fucking engine problem, right? That's like fundamental, you know? Like, okay, I broke all of input or something.
made some.
No, dude. No, dude. I have insane documentation. What the fuck, man? I have like the most badass documentation ever for this shit. I'm serious, dude. Like, that's not true at all. Oh, let me fucking show you how on point this. Now I have to fucking prove a point.
Don't doubt his documentation, motherfuckers.
Oh, watch this. This is how much effort I go through to try to make sure... Oh, god damn it. This version of the fucking toolkit doesn't load with these assets. Oh, wait. I don't need it to. So much work I go through to make sure that my fucking team is taken care of and they can fucking work with my engine. User manual, documentation. What's in here? Lua API, ESTK user manual. Boom. What's in here? Oh, every single fucking type in the entire engine, meticulously detailed. Every property, every statistic. Look. Do you see this? That is a fucking diagram of all the different rumble effects and how they work. That is fucking ASCII art, okay? Oh, what's a constant rumble effect? What is a ramp rumble effect? This is the base class, you know? This is all the shit. How does dialogue work? Like, okay, this is dialogue text. This is what each fucking property does. There's like fucking example code in here fucking everywhere. Not only that, hold on. Look, example dialogue code. How do I make a fucking dialogue? Copy paste this into the real-time Lua terminal, and you've just scripted dialogue. Not only have I done all this shit, look at this. Areas, hold on, wait. I had a spot where I did demo areas. Fuck, I forgot where that went, though. Oh, okay, anyway, demo areas, like cutscene, for example. Some of these, like, oh, how does a cutscene work? Oh, here's an example. You want to see a live demonstration? ESTK ships with demo areas. If I had the assets folder loaded right now, this is a custom hyperlink type, custom URI, that will literally open that demo level fucking for you. And you click this, and it will fucking open that script for you, and you can interactively fucking dissect the script. Oh, you want to know all about the fucking VMU? You want to know about fucking the virtual D-pad? Let's see. Dude, my fucking docs are like on fucking point, I'm telling you. It is not me. Oh, what does an entity do? Boom. And it's fully searchable. And in real time, you can go to the debug log in real time, and you can type a search query, and it will look for a string for you in these docs. Let's see. I don't know how up to date this is. I was doing some shit with. Oh yeah, here's all the events that are handled. Let's see. I have like demo areas. I have a fucking demo area. The demo for the Rumble pack is you load an area, and in the Lua prompt, there's an interactive console that lets you like choose like, oh, I want to play a vibration like this fucking frequency, you know? But it's kind of like a console. It talks back to you, you know? It's like, oh, what do you want to play next? Like push 1 for sinusoidal, push 2 for ramp. You know what I mean? So I do fucking interactive demos along with my shit. Look at this, real-time Lua terminal. Look at this shit. No, dude, like, I put a lot of time into this because I have had so many people come and go and, like, abandon me in this project over the years. And people like Tyler, that guy didn't even know how to program anything. I spent so much time out of my life hand-holding him, babysitting him, and he fucking left with nothing. And now I have to train someone else. And now I put the time in, you know, and I don't have to do that shit ever again. I mean, obviously I still train a lot and help a lot, but it's not even necessary anymore. And this is for you guys when I release the engine and toolkit, you know? Like, this is important. Like, oh, how do spine skeletal animations work? And this code here, you can copy and paste into the real-time Lua terminal, you know, and script interactively. Be like, oh, I want to set this variable in the UI, you know, copy, paste it, and select it over there. I put a fuckload of effort into this, keeping these up to date and shit. And then the user manual is it's more from the UI perspective, where the Lua API is obviously for Lua. Look at this. Look, best practices for placing tiles, for like performance and shit. Look at Lua behavior. Let's see, Lua behavior. Okay, this is how all of behaviors work. This is every single trigger. Like, you know, Unity has like on update and shit. This is everything we support, all the arguments they take, how it works, function signatures. Here's how you add a trigger. Here's like, it discusses like the scoping and how global variables work, how you can inherit from other fucking behaviors. Here's example scripts of doing that. And then best practices when scripting Lua behaviors. Like, not only did I explain everything, but here's like the pro tips. Anyway, I'm done. Back to the code.
Bye.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna return this. Wait, I want to show you it.
Wait, what'd you say?
I bought this from Bath Body Works, but it was broken. So I try to get it. It's a mini one of yours. I want to put it in the bedroom because we don't have any fucking
Oh
lamps.
yeah, that'd be awesome.
But it was broken, so I'm gonna return it and exchange it.
Yeah, do it.
I'm gonna get baby shower invitations.
Okay, cool. Yeah, all right. Well, deuces. Who wrote the majority of code after you? Of course, looks like that would be Marcel, dude. There's like there's not a single line of Marcel left. There's not a single line of Kendall left. There's nothing left of these people. I swear to God, there's nothing left. There are a few lines of Jared, a few, for in the UI, some like formatting and some like fancy effects. He's probably the most lasting toolkit person other than me. In the engine itself, there's absolutely nothing that I didn't write. LibGyro, now you guys are helping with like getting it on the PSP and web shit, so I'm not the only contributor to LibGyro anymore. Yep. But yeah, guys, just so you know, this is why I'm late. It's not because I stole the fucking money, or that I'm not working my dick off, or that I don't believe in this project. No, nothing. He's still here. Wait, which... Oh, you mean during the Kickstarter? Yeah, he left. No, okay, so LibGyro was stolen last week by some fucking retard. LibGyro is going to be on GitHub. It's hosted internally on our repository, and every person who has ever asked for access to it, I've given them access to it. So, right now, fucking, you do, Trax Dev, he's the guy who got the VMU in the web browser, because Elysian VMU and LibGyro, I'm sharing with people. So right here's like my entire eVMU emulator running, powered by LibGyro, you know, in the web browser, and he fucking did that. I sure as fuck don't know how to do web browser shit. And then another buddy of ours, well, he's now our buddy, he's now our comrade. He's working on, he got eVMU on the PSP, and getting LibGyro far enough for eVMU to run on something is like half of the way to getting ES to run on something, you know. So yeah, we've been collaborating with other people, and I have never once not given people access to the repository, which is why this fucking retard dipshit who decided to literally steal all of our code and plagiarize it in the name of giving people what they paid for did fucking nothing, because it's going to be open source. Like, he stabbed us in the back, and he stabbed the other backers who are literally part of this now in the back. And that fucking asshole made it, so now I had to, like, rip down all our fucking repository URLs, migrate fucking everything for absolutely nothing. Because this fucking retard is just, like, a bitter fucking asshole. And every fucking thing he leaked, I've just been giving every fucking person who's even asked access to. Fred Hare, can I grab a link to the source? Yeah, so open source is, I'll PM me on Discord. I got to figure out how to do this better because I can't just trust people the way I used to, because obviously people are fucking like, people are willing to sabotage their own fucking project that they paid for and that other people are now working on for no fucking reason. So I can't just be as open as I was before. I have to figure something out. But yeah, so libgyro, Elysian VMU, and there's a shared widget library called ESTK utils that's shared between the toolkit and EVMU. That's also open source. Oh, and the physics engine, although that's ugly as fuck right now, so that's not it's not gonna do much good for anyone right now. I mean, you can commit whatever the fuck you want, you know, because there's like, you know, code review and like fucking merge requests and shit. So go to town. Yeah, I've written in Python before, not much, but yeah, Python's a good thing. Oh, so last week when the stream started, someone came in with the username libgyro open source and posted a link to them stealing all of the open source repositories that we had been giving people for free, or giving out to people to access and help us with, and they uploaded it all, and they pretended they were me. They posted it on some hacker fucking website or something, and as soon as I fucking saw it, I called the little bitch on it, and he got scared and deleted everything. But since he did that, I had to now fucking change all of the fucking the build server shit, fucking redo the goddamn repository URL. I had to go through so much fucking shit from this one goddamn piece of shit who literally achieved fucking nothing. Like, that shit is already, I'm already giving people access to it. It was already going to be open source, you fucking idiot. What exactly do you do at AMD? Do you work on GPUs? Yeah, I'm on the DirectX 12 team. I work on bugs. I work on the DirectX 12 driver supporting upcoming AAA titles. Like I said at the beginning of the stream, this last week, I didn't, but a coworker of mine in the same team worked on Resident Evil 12, or fucking 12, Resident Evil 2. Just when new games show up, you know, there are going to be a fuckload of bugs on NVIDIA and AMD's drivers. We both get like beta builds, and we both have to, you know, make sure the shit runs well, make sure that any bugs are fixed, you know, maintain the driver. That's basically my team, the X12. What? It's brilliant, man. Yeah, I know. I fucking hate that indentation shit too. I'm not into Java, or I'm not into Python, but it's not. It's a good learning tool. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. How many people are even going to see that? James Johnston, there are like at least 100 people who literally bought this game only for this engine and toolkit. Those people are definitely going to fucking see the documentation for the engine they're developing in. Yeah, I wrote the entire documentation myself. Yeah. 100%. All me. Including all demo areas, all everything. What the fuck is your name? Mike Oxlong. Oxlong. Is that good? Oh, shit. Dude, I'm sorry. I'm like fucking so tired. I would never have gotten that. I'm delirious. I said Resident Evil 12, man. Like, I'm on my way out. Mike Oxlong. That's funny. Good one, bro. Really? Well. Oh my god, dude. Every day I'm like, why am I still on Facebook? Why am I still on fucking Facebook? Like, oh my god, dude. It's not even a good addiction. Like, there is no fucking dopamine that this shit gives me. I, I would not say I'm a data scientist. I'm a computer engineer. Like, I do like low level software that's like close to hardware. In graduate school, I do some hardware, but I'm like a low level software engineer. Are there circuits on GPUs for calculating convex holes? Oh, fuck, that's a good question. What is that used for again? Give me the usage, main use case for that. Oh, wait, yeah, there fucking has to be. This is probably how clipping is done in hardware. Sorry, I'm not that familiar with the fucking, what exactly convex hole, the point of it was, because it's been a long time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, my bad, Prinny Carrot. My bad, Prinny Carrot. My bad. Dude, I lose at least one Facebook friend a day. Like, I'm fucking done, man. Like, I fucking cannot stand that fucking place. Everyone hates me there. I hate fucking everyone there. It's just, there's no fucking point of being there. So much of tribalism. What do you think of AMD's products, really? They've been kicking ass with... Oh yeah, dude, they're fucking... Our CPU line is fucking kicking ass right now. Yeah, dude, you cannot go wrong with our CPUs right now. Wasn't it only gay liberals who deleted you? Well, they're not all gay, but they are all liberal. What kind of GPU do you have installed on your PC? In the thing I'm on right now, it came with two AMD FirePro D5000s, which are two AMD Tahitis. I have an NVIDIA GTX 750 in the build server, and then some piece of shit Intel Extreme thing in my Windows machine. No, dude, I don't mind gay people. I definitely don't mind gay people. The gay people are definitely less gay than people on Facebook. That's why I'm libertarian, man. I'm not gonna get political here, I swear to God. What's in your algorithm folder on your toolbar? Sorry guys, I'm like seriously like fucking falling asleep. I'm probably gonna have to go in a sec. In case you haven't noticed, I'm like incoherent. But what is in my fucking algorithms folder? Not much. Oh no, that's not convex hole. Oh yeah, point of data scan line conversion. Oh fuck, I just left the shit. One sec, my bad. Just left the hangout. Fuck. Whoops. Nah, I'm still online. Yeah, so my algorithms shit. Fuck. Something, finding point of contact for physics collision. Physics engine collision. A lot of that. Actually, that's basically all this here. And then scanline conversion. Do you know what LBFFI is, vaguely? Oh, libFFI? Vaguely, I guess, yeah. AMD still slacking with the GPUs. Don't get me started on their shitty graphics drivers, especially the DirectX. Jeez, what a heap of shit. You're not talking about DirectX 12. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Our OpenGL drivers are what shit. Our DirectX drivers are not that bad. Especially not DX12. Uptime. Whoever said uptime, does that actually work? Or are you asking me? About an hour and a half, I think. I'm just fucking. Your friend is working on the Adrenaline 2019. Yeah, we all work on the Adrenaline 2019 driver. That's us. What the fuck is streamer mode on Discord? Pretty good, I guess, Boston. So what is the basic theory of making a C++ OpenGL-based rendering engine and then making like an API for Python to automate or script it? I don't know the best way to go about something like that. Okay. Wait. So what exactly do you want to do with Python? The making like an API for Python to automate. Oh, you just want to create some kind of OpenGL API binding to Python, I guess? Kind of like what I do with Lua wrappers. So is this the place to go if your AMD drivers take a shit so you can complain to an AMD developer? No, not here. You can do that, but make sure that... I'll probably fucking forget. If you're in DirectX 11, if you go into settings and you're in DirectX 11, fuck off. That's not my job. If it's DX 12, then okay, you can bitch about it. So is the place you go if you're oh yeah, sorry, I just read that. That's how fucking delirious I am. I did have a good run though. The code I was writing earlier was fucking really good, really good. Nah, dude, I gotta be up so you guys can see I'm not a fucking thief. I'm working. I'm not actually working. I'm being a worthless piece of shit right now, but I was. Games ain't gonna code themselves. Dude, my wife is so pissed off at me. She went to bed, and she's like, oh, you fucking asshole, you're up late, come to bed. And then 8 hours later, she gets up, and I'm sitting in the same spot writing code. But I got like 100 FPS higher, so, I mean, fucking still understand, right? Not. So, Falco, when will you be rewriting ESTK and Rust? Probably when Rust decides to fucking grow up, put on big boy pants, and support fucking inheritance like any fucking halfway decent language should. Yeah, dude, I know. That's just the worst decision. I can't believe they did that. They left inheritance out. Hey, thanks so much. Fuck. I'm too tired to read that. Novicius official. I really appreciate it. So, if you make an engine to display 3D meshes in OpenGL, you want to make Python load the model files in the engine and run an engine. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's how ES works. Pretty similar. Yeah, okay, that's legit. Yeah, we use state machines in ES. Let's see. the most prominent place is dialogue, where you can see that. We, if there's an entity up that has dialogue right now in this area, basically when you select an entity, there's a component in Elysian Shadows that is the examinable component, and the examinable component can have a dialogue component, and there you can script, let me see, I don't think there's anything in this area. Oh, there's NPCs over here. Astonished Carpenter, let's see. Examinable right here. Dialogue, 5 screens of dialogue, right? So this is, every screen is basically a state. And it's a state machine telling you which state to go to next. Go to this state, go to this state. And then, I don't think this one asks any questions, but then you can also say, okay, prompt them this question, and if they answer this one, go to this state. If they answer this one, go to another state. For the Python question, the only thing I know is swig is what people used to use in the day to wrap Python, but I think that's old as fuck now. Yes, this looks like what you want. Yeah, this looks like what you want. Ha, Lua's a lot easier. Well, actually, I don't know if it is or not, but it's fucking Lua's prettier. Yeah, this is what you want. Okay, well, I would not just use this because you can see it's a fucking nightmare and you have to do everything manually. There are third-party APIs out there where you just give it the function, you know, and it shits out this code for you, right? So you don't actually have to write this code yourself. Look up Swig or some binding API like that. Oh, fuck me. You can't. Oh, my God. You couldn't see the fucking... Oh. All right, I need to just go to bed. After this, I'll go to bed because I'm just fucking up everything. God damn it. Just fucking go ahead and steal the rest of my code, obviously. I'm fucking retarded. God damn it. Here's the Python shit. Oh, it looks kind of small in this window. But here, let's see. Astonished Carpenter is this gentleman right here. Like I said, ignore the fucked up normals. Let's see. So he has an examinable component with dialogue right here. And then you start off as screen 1. That's your starting state. And then each screen has a next state. And that's their state index. And then this one doesn't have one, but you can ask a question. And then each choice, you can make it send you to a different state. And shit, you can also play it. Let's see. You can preview the dialogue. Or oh fuck! Wait, I fucked that up in the renderer right now. Okay, that one is my fault. I will take the fall for that one. My bad. I'll have that fixed in just a sec. Fuck. Hey, I mean, it's not as bad as not being able to fucking move. Oh, let's see. Alright, I'll take a few more questions, then I actually really do need to fucking go to bed, because I'm gonna be a dad, and I don't want my fucking kid to have a dad that's dead from being unhealthy, or a dad that fucking died before he could deliver on a Kickstarter game, because that would be pretty fucked up. Let's see, where were we? Is there any good place to look at code other people wrote, you know, just so I can view it and learn what they did? Sorry. No, it's not a dumb question. I mean, really, that's why you hang out in, like, Discord chats like what we have, like, where there's, like, you know, a bunch of passionate guys, like, programming all fucking day, like this shit, you know, and we just, like, share code, like, oh, dude, look what I just fucking did. Like, look, I was excited. This is when I was, like, up all night, like, oh, yeah, I made a dissertation, if you want to hear about the new renderer, by the way, in Discord. My Adderall kicked in. And so, yeah, you know, we share code, like, oh, look at this shit, you know, we talk about it a lot, and, like, it's kind of important to be involved in, like, a community for that kind of shit, really. Do I find Lua's dynamic type system annoying? Abso-fucking-lutely goddamn not. I think it is amazing. A lot of the crazy badass shit that I'm able to do in ESTK, where I'm able to represent literally any object at runtime and you've seen it, right? I mean, I have an entire runtime, real-time Lua debugger IDE in there where I can select any object in the entire engine, and the UI widget is literally parsing through a Lua object, and when you modify the UI, you're literally actually basically coding Lua directly when you do that, and I'm able to do all this like crazy badass shit because of its dynamic typing. So I really blur the lines a lot between Lua and C++ because I've gone to fucking town like creating crazy templates and shit that let me like call back and forth between both languages. If I want static typing, I stay in C++. If I need something like that, that's something that I massively have benefited from in Lua. Is there are times, like especially with things like they're fundamentally polymorphic as shit, like a UI that can just display any type, you know, with default editors. That's about as runtime polymorphic as you can fucking get, you know, and Lua shines at that kind of shit. Well, dynamically typed languages in general are good at that kind of stuff, but Lua's a good dynamically typed language. I don't know, everyone loves to hate on dynamic type languages, like, yeah, I wouldn't write everything in Lua, you know, but like for a scripting language, I feel like if you had, I feel like it'd be dumb to have a statically typed scripting language, because like then why are you using a scripting language, you know? You're at a higher level of abstraction, supposed to be focusing less on that kind of like, I don't know. It's becoming a common thing to criticize dynamically typed languages, and I haven't thought, I mean, I've thought about it a lot, but I have not really come to the conclusion that I really agree with that. So hold on, I'm trying to fucking, I don't know where my windows are. Fuck. Yeah, so this, like, you guys know, like, this is a Lua variable here. Look at this. This is a real-time Lua interpreter. Look, I type some random shit in. Syntax error. I type print, fuck off. Look, it just executed code. Fuck off. I pull a fucking some shit out of my ass equals dude is equal to 1. Fuck off is equal to hello. Right? So now I have this fucking thing out there, some shit. Now I can go toolkit dot set selection some shit. Look what I did. Boom. Right here I'm able to dynamically script that fundamentally code-driven variable that I just pulled out of my ass. In one line of code, I can select every single global variable that is in existence right now in the engine. _G is the global table in Lua. Boom. Here's all my globals. You know what I mean? Like, that, do that in a statically typed language? Fuck that. It's insanely powerful for what I've used it for. It definitely has never gotten in the way. It's only benefited the way that I use Lua and the things I've done with it. Shit, sorry, I lost my place. Maybe that means I should go. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my wife is due in like 3 months. I'll be a dad. I'm just trying to think about it because I'm just kidding. It makes me work out more because I'm like, holy fuck, I don't want a dad bod. And everyone's like, oh, you're a fucking dad bod, so. Where the fuck is Patrick and Co today? Good fucking question, man. I don't fucking know. They know the time, and like, I used to make up excuses for other people and like would never want to show off like the real team dynamics on a live stream and shit, but I don't believe in throwing people on a bus, but you know, you're seeing the reality. A boy or a girl? It's a boy, and we're naming him, my wife likes my middle name, Alexander, so his name's Alexander, and I like the name Xander, so yeah, Alexander. Anybody else watching the cascading Falco in the background? Fuck, I hope not. Shit, is it still cascading? Let's see. Is your state machine one big switch statement, or does every action implement an interface with basic functions? Okay, that's a good question. And it kind of depends. We have multiple state machines. I mean, in some scenarios, a switch statement is definitely the easier thing to implement. more simplistic and a lot more efficient, right? So like things like the warp system. When I walk into a fucking warp, and what does it do? It takes me between areas. I'll show you. That is just a tiny little fucking state machine, and that does not make sense as this big ass object oriented shit show, right? A state machine is a tool, and sometimes it is the best tool to use. Sometimes a switch statement is way better. Like, look, here in the warp, like, fucking, here's my state machine, states. Fucking good old C-style, fast as fuck, no bullshit. Never needed anything more out of the warp system ever in my life. But I have other places, like in the Lua behaviors, you know, where, yeah, we need, like, a full-fledged, like, object-oriented fucking, dynamically polymorphic state machine system. Yeah, then it makes sense there. You know what I mean? I don't believe in something... I think that if someone tells you to always use something or never use something, they're usually full of shit, because this industry is so big, so complicated. There are so many different problems that can be solved, and languages have so many different ways of solving them that there's never like a one-size-fits-all solution, you know? Depends, it's circumstantial. Unregistered Sublime tags. How is it you're married to someone like Laura with that thing upstairs that used to be... And I'm stuck with that thing upstairs that used to be my wife. What the fuck? She in chat, man? She's gonna be pissed. She's gonna be pissed. What's the Discord server for... Oh, yeah, for Elysian Shadows. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Shit. Right here, that does not help you at fucking all. Invite people. Fuck, man, what am I supposed to do? Dude, I'm so tired. God damn it. How do I make it not fucking hidden, dude? Oh, shit. Does this help? Can you see that? God damn it. Well, that's what the link is. Here we go. Oh, you did? Oh, thank God, because I'm fucking... Okay, well, fuck. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh, yeah, if you're a Kickstarter backer and you join that, we have a... I keep forgetting to fucking mention. We have a private backer channel in there. Just PM me a screenshot of, like, a receipt from Kickstarter or our website, and I'll approve you, and you get a badass orange name tag. Or no, fucking golden name tag. And then you get access to the ES backer chat, where, like, I swear to God, if you ask me, like, serious questions and want to see some code, like, I definitely go the extra mile there. Definitely. Those are the VIP people. But if you send it, like, tonight, don't be mad, because I will be fucking passed out in, like, 15 minutes. YouTube commentators at their best. Hey, if your name is accurate, you shouldn't be having too many problems. So you can make a program such as Blender with C++, SDL, Python, Symmetric. Yes, you can. Yeah, I mean, those are all building blocks, yeah. Every one of those, yeah, you can be used together, yeah. Better question, why did you get married, Mike? I was watching on Facebook until you said something about not being as gay as everyone on Facebook. No, man, you'd be like the one Facebook guy who actually likes me. The one fucking person who watches us on Facebook. And then if you don't unfriend me after that, it's like a fucking, it's like a Christmas fucking miracle. Have you ever thought of making a Patreon? Oh my God, dude, fucking hell no. Dude, holy shit. People fucking hate my goddamn guts. They think I'm like fucking Satan, like I stole everyone's money. There is no way in fucking hell I could make a Patreon, dude. Like, oh my God, people would be out for fucking blood, man. No fucking way. Fred hair? No, it's not too late to donate. I don't. Okay, I don't want to be fucking sleazy. I don't know, guys. Like, you guys tell me. You're the fucking backers. If people are still backing on the website, do I cut them off? Like, okay, you're not in the backer chat. You know what I mean? I don't want to be like, oh yeah, you can fucking just give me money and I'll put you in this chat. I don't know. Like, I'm fucking like basically socially retarded. So let me know sometime, guys. I don't want you to think I'm like a fucking sleaze bag. Because that's not what it's about. I don't know, man. You should see the way people fucking act on Facebook to my shit. Like, I've never said a... Yep. I'm a pro fucking gay, pro drug, pro abortion, like fucking libertarian, and they still think I'm like Satan. If you're in here and you're watching this and you're liberal, I fucking love you. Seriously, I don't like people who fucking alienate half their fucking audiences. So I will say that. Yeah, that's absolutely true. I could see it now. Riots in the streets for my Patreon. Oh my god, you're giving me fucking PTSD. Dude, this is why, like, I have fucking problems with addiction. During the Kickstarter, I was staying up all fucking night, all weekend, like, working my fucking ass off on this game, you know? Things weren't going so well. We weren't on time, like, wasn't getting the kind of help I needed, and, like, I was anxious and, like, needed to perform. So I started taking fucking painkillers, right? So I was like, oh, fuck it, I'll get off of them when the Kickstarter's done. You know what I mean? That didn't really happen, and then I developed a fucking painkiller addiction. And, like, to this day, I haven't done drugs like that in years, but I still have to take a little bit of some shit, kratom, like, once a day so that I'm not withdrawing. I've just slowly, over the last couple years, been, like, fucking reducing it, but, yeah, no, Kickstarter turned me into a drug addict. They're trying to what? Oh, God. When the game releases, we make a video compilation. Oh, yeah, totally. Yeah, that was literally what the plan was with Adventures in Game Development Chapter 1. That was my plan. That's why I uploaded that original video 10 years later. Yeah, I have to. That's what I said I would, yeah. Oh, shit! Speaking of fucking that... Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Dudes, okay. You know these fucking dev notebooks everyone's pissed off at me about? Because, yeah, you fucking paid for them. And, like I said, I've been going through all this shit trying to get them scanned in. Well, I had a guy who was working on them for a while, and he was doing a fucking amazing job, right? So good that I didn't want to go with just some fucking, like, some professional place that wasn't going to do a fucking good job. He was, like, hand converting them, and then he kind of fell off the face of the earth, and he's back now, and he's back on it. I wanted to show you some of his shit. So, here's a sneak peek of what it is. So, it's back in the works. Like, we're on it. Like, seriously, it'll be worth it, though. Here's the second one. Here's what it looks like right now. These are my actual exact notes, drawings. It's just, it's in, like, it's searchable. It's in an actual font now. That's not my handwriting. But you'll still get the one with my handwriting. This is literally the diagram I had, though, that was scanned in and converted. Actually, wait a fuck. No, it's not quite my handwriting. Actually, this is my handwriting. It is part of my handwriting. But yeah. Oh, here. Dude, here is the time I accidentally invented Forward Plus rendering in 2D. Right before John Carmack did it. Or id Software did it. And fucking, like, it became a thing. and I just like I was so close to doing it, but like I was only considering it in two-dimensional tile space. You know, if I had projected the tiles into 3D, that would have been I fucking invented Forward Plus, but I didn't. That's in here. Oh, dude, yeah, Forward Plus is fucking nice. Wait, what were you doing this for? Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, I fucking know. Yep. Yep, yep. I have that in ES. It's not fully done yet, but I have it right now. It's an open CL though. Uh, dude, fuck yeah, Forward Plus is like baller. Guys, out like every fucking day of my life that I do something that I am even remotely proud of or think is worthwhile, I do in these notebooks. I'm on like notebook fucking 5 now. Like every fucking secret I've come up with, every like technical thing from like the engine to the fucking toolkit, graduate school, libgyro, Elysian VMU, other random side projects, just everything engineering related and even like gameplay related is in these notebooks. Like I know it's been a fucking long time coming, but like dude, these notebooks are like my most prized fucking possessions. Like so like I hope you guys understand. Not why that I'm a piece of shit for taking so long, because there's not really much to understand there. I just fucking sorry I've been like fucked up, but I hope you understand like why I'm selling this, you know, and why I think it'd be cool to have that. Like it's like my notes from like fucking everything. I want it too, so I can look at it like searchable form, so I can stop fucking flipping through them. It's annoying as shit for me. Dude, some of the notebooks, some of the diagrams are like fucking like. Okay, it's funny because you can see how the Kickstarter went in the notebooks. Like you see, like my handwriting was really neat, and my thought, the flow of my thoughts was like pretty linear, and you know, and then like my handwriting starts going to shit. You can tell I'm not sleeping, like crossing shit out, like oh, I fucked all this up, like it kind of shows in some of it, you know, but like I want it to be there too. I mean, there's even those parts have good things in them, but like, yeah, it kind of tells a story in and of itself. Just that shit. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna head to bed. You guys still around? Sweet. Oh, did you fucking did you ever we were talking about those icons. Did you ever get the path to them again? Now that I changed it? Okay. I'll send it back. Yeah, yeah, we totally got sidetracked because of dickwad. Okay. Let me make sure I didn't fuck up permissions. Okay, I'll take a look because I did fuck with a bunch of stuff. I'll look at it. All right. And thanks for coming, guys. See you guys. Peace.